So today I'm going to be showing you this Vermico Insta360 One X3 battery. In the Vermico package, you'll get 3 boxes in there, and you'll also get a warranty card. The warranty card is a 18 months warranty. So if there's anything wrong with your battery, you can just contact them for replacement. So in each of these small boxes are the batteries. These are the Insta360 X3 battery, and also you do have the charger in this other box. So this is what the charger, and you also have a cord in there. So their charger is absolutely amazing. This charger can charge up to 3 batteries, and you have 2 different ports. You have the USB port and for type C cable, and you can see how easily it is to fit the charger battery in there. And you can see you can plug it into your laptop, into a power bank, into car chargers, so on and so forth, and it works really well. It charges very quickly. So these 2 Insta360X batteries, you get one 3-channel charger and one USB cord, perfect for you.